Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Model Kit Review. This video is going to be a little bit different than my typical video where I'm either reviewing a model kit or I'm talking about a model making technique. Based on some of the comments that I've had on my most recent video, which was a classic kit review on the ARRI and Otaki P47D Thunderbolt, I thought this would be a good opportunity to go over my reason for reviewing the kits. When I review a model kit, my goal is not to tell you whether or not you should buy that kit. I'm not pushing any particular brand. I like model kits from a variety of manufacturers. There are kits from each manufacturer that I do not like, and there are kits from almost every manufacturer that I really do like. But my main goal with making these review videos is to let the viewers know what comes in the box. We take a look at everything from the surface detail on the kits, to the transparencies, to the decals, the instructions, the fit of the major parts, any potential problem areas to watch out for. And at the end of the videos, I also give my conclusions, and I talk about who the model kit would be appropriate for. I try to keep in mind that there's a vast range of model building skill sets that people have, everything from the neophyte, newbie, all the way to the advanced professional modeler. And I try to let you, the viewers, know who that kit is going to be most appropriate for. My goal is also to help modelers choose kits that are appropriate for their skill level and also their interests and values. For some people on the kits, low cost is the highest consideration. There's nothing wrong with that. And so they're going to prefer a less expensive kit over a more expensive kit. For other modelers, shape accuracy and accuracy of the details is their highest priority. They're looking for a kit that is the most accurate scale representation of the original. For some people, parts count is a determining factor. Some people do not like the newer kits from model makers like Eduard that have lots and lots of small parts. And other modelers absolutely groove on that. They want the latest and greatest. The higher the parts count, the better. There's nothing wrong with either of these two extremes on the spectrum. There's a wide range of values that each person has that determines what is a great kit to them. For me, on a personal side, there are days when I absolutely love building the latest and greatest kits. I can think of the Eduard Spitfire line. Those kits are just fabulous. I enjoy building them, although they are quite parts heavy. There are plenty of times while I'm building those kits that I think Eduard could have simplified the parts count and made it a little bit more builder friendly. Other times, especially after coming off of a more involved build, I like to build a more simple classic kit, and I like to focus on my weathering and finishing techniques. And I really try to finish every kit that I make to the best of my ability. And to me, there's something very rewarding about taking a very basic classic kit with minimal surface detail and a lower parts count and having it look really good on the shelf, even sitting next to a similar kit from a different manufacturer that is a much heavier parts count, a much newer mold. The subject matter of the kits is another subjective area of model building. For some people, they only want to build BF-109s, Spitfires, Mustangs, and Thunderbolts, and I get that. For me, that doesn't really have much of an appeal. I really like building a wide range of subjects. Don't get me wrong, I have lots of Spitfires and Mustangs and BF-109s on the shelf, but I also like some of the less kitted aircraft, like the Russian fighter aircraft of World War II or Italian World War II aircraft. And when I build those, it really lets me get to know a subject that I'm not familiar with and have not built as a younger modeler. All right, enough about me. I would love to know what you guys think is the ideal kit and what your values are when you look at the model kits. If you like the classic kits that are really nostalgia builds and have a lower parts count, man, that's awesome. Please let me know in the comment section below. If you're a modeler that appreciates the insane detail and engineering that goes into some of the more modern kits with the photo etch parts and masks included in the kit, man, please feel free to let me know as well. In summary, when I review these kits, I try to give each one a fair shake. I try to give you guys a good overall impression of what's in the box and go a little bit more in depth than maybe some in-box reviews go. But as far as what makes a great kit, That is entirely subjective. That is up to you and your values. As always, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, model on.